Okay, this is the 2008 Ford Focus. I'm going to change in output speed sensor. I'll show you how to do that and the part. There's the part. And I picked up this part from the Ford dealership. And there's the part number. Okay, we're underneath the vehicle, and this output speed sensor is on the passenger side, and it's right where the axle shaft comes out of the transaxle. I'm shining the light on it right there. It has one bolt. Looks like it's a 10mm nut or bolt, and it has a electrical connector that just unclips. So I'll try to unclip it and hold the light so you can see. I just reach up there and I squeeze with my thumb, and it pops right up. And there's the connector. Okay, here's the old output speed sensor. As you can see, it has an O-ring. So when you put your new one in, and the O-ring's right where my thumb is right there. When you put your new one in, make sure you lubricate the O-ring with transmission fluid. And this vehicle uses the Mercon LV, low viscosity transmission fluid. So you're going to lube up the O-ring when you put the new one in. It's very easy to put in. Get some light. It was a 8mm bolt, and I just wiggled it. It came right out. And then I installed the new sensor and then put the electrical connector back on. So pretty simple. Now I'll serve as a backup with transmission fluid and road test it.